Hi guys, it's Baby Doll 77 No Scratching. Okay, I'm here to get the Powerball, guys. We are looking for that 750 million. Look at that, guys. That's what we're looking for tonight. So we got a $19 rollover for group number 8. She's gonna do it for me. That is for group number 8. That's $19. And then she's gonna do the 120 for me. Then I'm gonna go home and do another video with the tickets because my phone is on like 4%. It's gonna die on me in the middle of it, so I don't want it to die on me. So she's gonna give me the $19 for this one. I will make sure I put what group is what on it. See, it was $19, guys. And now she's gonna give me $19 worth of tickets.
You said 19 with the ticket.
It's 19, right?
Yeah.
All right, here goes the numbers, guys, for the $19 rollover for group number 8.
Doesn't go to 19.
Huh?
Doesn't go to 19. 20 work?
No, I want $19 worth of Powerball. So I think you got to do like 10 and a 9. You know what I mean?
Amanda, how do I do that? Get $19 with Powerball.
Powerball's are $2 each, so you can't do 19.
Oh, that's right. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
That's what it is, yeah. Okay, give me... Yeah, give me $16 of Powerball. And then give me one Powerball with the Power Play. That's 19. That's why I didn't let you do it. All right, guys. Yeah, I had to make one with a Power Play because it's $19. You can't. It's $2 each.
That.
Yep. And then one with the Power Play. Okay, guys. So this is the $19 rollover. That is the 16. And then you got the 3. That is $19. Okay, that's for group 8. People in it. Now I need $120 worth of Powerball.
No
Now
Power
she's
Play.
gonna do she's gonna do $120, guys, of Powerball. There goes the numbers. It's gonna come out in 20s.
Sorry, 120 is 60, yeah.
120.
60. Yeah. That's what you want, right? 120?
Yep.
You just have to type the number. It says code 9. Just type 9.
20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, guys. There it goes. All right, I will show you guys the numbers at home because my phone is about to die, but it is $120. That is 6 tickets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, guys, and that is for group number 9. All right, I will take another video at home. Bye.